Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Liam is here with me, just hanging out. Today we are back with exciting news. I am starting my journey with Farmasi. I received my starter kit yesterday in the mail. I am so excited to share it with you guys. I did already unbox it because I was curious as to what was all in it. And I wanted to try some products, which I did just get done washing my hair with the one shampoo that I will be showing you in a minute. It comes in this super cute box, the magnetic clasp thing, which I love. I will definitely be keeping all my makeup in here. When you first open it up, it shows you get your entrepreneur pamphlet, and then you will see your opportunity to earn well, which this is very important because this explains tons to you. And then you will receive your skincare guide, which is very exciting. I'm super excited to try it. I'm super excited to try the calendula line. And it's fully in color with everything you can imagine. It explains to you if you have oily skin, if you have dry skin, and what they recommend you use. This is the really exciting part, the makeup, which I'm very excited to try. This lipstick color right here is gorgeous. I don't know if this camera's picking up very good, but oh my goodness, I can't wait to try it. Here's just a look at some of the stuff that we're offering you guys. This is my favorite part right here, lipsticks. I love them, love them, love them. I've been really getting into matte lipsticks lately. Mascaras. We have tons to choose from. Eyeshadows. Everything. And then you'll notice you get two little adorable bags. I'll probably use these for whenever I deliver stuff to my neighbors. I have a bunch of older neighbors, so they are more old-fashioned with the way they do things, so I'll probably just ship them to them in these bags. I love this one. Coral, my favorite color. Super cute. This is the shampoo that I used this morning. You'll also receive these little sample packets, which you get lots. 5 milliliters, that's pretty good. This is the Dr. C Tuna Vitalizing Garlic and Capixel shampoo. It's got B5 in it. Trust me, it does not smell like garlic. This is the one reason why I had to try it right away was because I was like, garlic. It does not smell like it at all. It's a very light smell, but it smells very clean. But it's not overwhelming at all. You receive 2 shampoos, 2 revitalizing hair masks, and a revitalizing hair oil, which I'm very excited to use because I've been using that a lot. As you can tell that my hair is pretty dead at the moment. It's not too bad, but... And this is the Farmasi Professional Keratin Shampoo, which I'm very excited to try too. Looks like this. You get 2 shampoos, a mask, and the serum, which I'm super excited to try. I'm all about shampoos because, well, I dye my hair and bleach it and dye it and bleach it and dye it, and then I go dark and then I bleach it again, and my hair needs all the help that it can get. And then I also received the baby line, the Dr. Tuna's baby line. I believe this is new. We're just now starting to sell this. But this, you get 2 shampoos, a lotion, and diaper rash cream, which I will be using probably the shampoo on my dog because I use baby shampoo on him. And this stuff is made in the factory itself. You want to come here? You want to come over? I don't know what you want. You're just staring at me. And then I got the Farmasi Makeup CC Cream in shades 01, light 01, light to medium 02, medium 03, and medium to dark 04. Which I love these. This is the color corrector because they're not too, like, too thick of coverage, because as you can tell I have freckles, which I have finally learned to love them, so I don't like covering them up. Come here, babe. Come here. I'm not going to let you fall. Mr. Complicated over here. What are you doing? You hanging out in your stroller? Nah, he's a good boy. He's just ornery. You ornery. And I also received in my box the BB Beauty Balm in light 01, light to medium 02, medium 03, and medium to dark 04. And this is the Skin Perfecting Balm. And then the last thing in my box is the VFX Camera Ready Retouch Skin Visual Effect Foundation. Super excited to try this. I don't do my makeup often. I'm more of like mascara and eyebrows and lipstick and go. But there are 2 eyeshadows that I've seen that I'm dying to have. Which, oh lord, I'm about to have an avalanche. Which I just placed an order for tons of makeup, and I got a little bit of everything. I'm so excited to use their makeup. Here's like a little quick preview of our, this is the July through December 20th catalog. Look at these lipsticks and tell me they are not gorgeous. There's a color on here called Superstar. This one right here. I need it. Then of course you have your nudes. I'm excited to try this too, the lip plumper. I'm so excited to try that. I'm also very excited to try their eyeshadow, the Golden Shot. And the green, oh, I love it so much. That's green bean, that's funny. I don't know, I'm just so excited to start this journey. And oh, and the brown sugar. Especially the body cream. Body lotion, my bad. Sorry if you hear that, there's a bee constantly running into my window. We also have for men or whoever wants to use it. There's a little bit of everything in here for people. And this is really exciting. These are the new perfume and body lotion sets. I'm really excited to try the pearl. I have that in my cart now. But yeah, if you guys would like any catalogs or anything, just let me know. I'll be sharing this video to Facebook, so if you have me on there, just message me, and if you don't, just message me here. This starter kit was only $19.99, by the way, and this has everything in it that you need. And then you will, for now on, once you sign up and buy a starter kit, you will get 50% off of all the products that you buy. Sorry. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My dog here's my neighbor, so he's getting ready to sue. Just sue. He's going to go check things out. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of me showing you what I got in my starter kit, and yeah. Like I said, I'll leave my code down in the description bar below if you guys would like to use that. That would be truly appreciated. Yeah, so thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.